Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the 95th episode of Mann Ki Baat program, says India's G20 presidency is a big opportunity to focus on global good and welfare of the world. Security tightened in Shillong following a series of agitational programs following Mukrok firing incident. Mobile internet service remains suspended. Several organizations hold rallies in state protesting Mukrok firing incident. Demand for early settlement of Meghalaya Assam boundary disputes gains momentum. And in the FIFA World Cup, France become the first team to reach the last 16 stage. Lionel Messi stars in Argentina's win over Mexico. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said India's upcoming G20 presidency is a big opportunity to focus on global good and welfare of the world. Addressing the nation in the 95th episode of Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio, Modi said this becomes even more special as India was awarded the responsibility during Amrit Kal. He said India has solutions to challenges in every sphere, be it peace or unity, sensitivity towards the environment, or sustainable development. Modi stated that during India's G20 presidency, many programs related to G20 will be organized in different parts of the country in the coming days.
1 दिसंबर से इतने बड़े समूह की, इतने सामर्थ्यवान समूह की अध्यक्षता करने जा रहा है। भारत के लिए, हर भारतवासी के लिए ये कितना बड़ा अवसर आया है। ये इसलिए भी और विशेष हो जाता है क्योंकि ये जिम्मेदारी भारत को आजादी के अमृतकाल में मिली है।
मन की बात।
In Meghalaya, villagers of Maikuli in Ribhoi district also listened to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mann Ki Baat. Modi highlighted various achievements of the country which captivated the listeners. Security has been tightened in parts of Shillong in view of the ongoing series of protests and agitation organized by various groups in the capital of Meghalaya. Visible presence of security and police personnel are seen across the town. Demonstrations and protests have occurred in the state since 6 people were killed in Assam police firing in Mukrok village near the Assam-Meghalaya border on November 22nd. In response to the unrest, officials in Meghalaya state have suspended mobile internet and data services in the districts of West Jaintia Hills, East Jaintia Hills, East Khasi Hills, Ribhoi, Eastern West Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and Southwest Khasi Hills. Activists of the Hniothrep Integrated Territorial Organization or HITO on Saturday organized a rally to protest against the recent killing of 5 Khasi villagers in Mukrok village in West Jaintia Hills district by Assam police. The rally was held at the premises of the State Central Library and was followed by a candlelight vigil to pay respect to the departed souls and extend solidarity with the bereaved families. HITO President Donbok Dakhar slammed both the Meghalaya and Assam governments for delaying the resolution of the long-pending boundary dispute. Meanwhile, HITO also submitted a memorandum to the Resident Commissioner of Assam House urging the Assam government to shut down the forest beat house at Mukrok and Mokoilum till peace and normalcy is restored along the border.
Meghalaya and Assam government been delaying this issue border. Recently, the Chief Minister has invited us to understand the MOU, but in that time they didn't provide any documents to show that what is already written in the MOU, but direct to the central government, to the Ministry of Home Affairs. The same thing apply here. I have seen that why CBI have to involve in the Mukrok incident. I have seen that the central government don't trust both the Meghalaya and Assam government.
Members of various social organizations under Save Hniothrep mission on Saturday burnt effigies of Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma among others in protest against the killing of 6 people at a disputed area along the state's border with Assam. After the protest and burning of effigies of political leaders in front of the official residence of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma here on Saturday, the protesters said there is a need to carry out trials by courts in Meghalaya, even if the CBI conducts the inquiry. Meanwhile, the JAC Relum Jaintia, comprising several pressure groups such as AGCVA, MPUF, JYF, HNPF, HWW and DO, RJTA, HANM, NHP, MPUF Women Wing and HBDRF yesterday organized a peace rally at Ladnatyang to Yamusyang. They put forth several demands, including early settlement of the border disputes between Meghalaya and Assam. Earlier on Friday, 5 pressure groups comprising FKGAGP, HNYF, JSU, KSU and RBYF carried out a candlelight vigil and demanded setting up of a police outpost at Mukra village. The protest took place at Lad College of Jowai town. The ripples of the Assam police firing incident at Mukra West Jaintia Hills can be felt all across the region as daily trade has been hit hard due to the current disturbances. Local vendors of Nongpok who earn their daily bread by selling vegetables, meat and other commodities in the local market in Nongpok town areas have been the latest victims of the existing non-conducive situation in the state. Some vendors have expressed their grave concern over the state of affairs in Meghalaya soon after the death of 6 people at Mukra. They also condemned the Assam police for the unprovoked firing. They said that the ongoing unrest in Meghalaya has hit the local markets hard as huge losses are being incurred by the vendors in the form of rotten and damaged products.
Hangi ki basang yo hite ngala sem jinge namar ba kayo ka hat jungi kamlong su namar balai ki kali ki balai ki bawan ne ki dukan ne lapun ki ya sir hakale ka wan ro la jinjar tede na kata hi ba hangi ya basang yo ne ya hak su re long kala dang duna su aka jingi jingket.
In FIFA World Cup, Lionel Messi's dream of matching late great Diego Maradona's Argentina legacy lives on. The 7-time Ballon d'Or winning forward pulled level with Maradona on 8 World Cup goals and a record 21 appearances at the tournament for his country on Saturday. Messi's brilliant low strike from outside the box sparked a 2-0 win over Mexico to take them second in Group C. In a Group D clash, Mitchell Duke scored a goal as Australia defeated Tunisia on Saturday. The lone goal came through a header from the Australian striker in the first half at the Al Janoub Stadium, Al Wakra. On the other hand, Kylian Mbappe scored twice, including a late winner, as holders France edged Denmark 2-1 on Saturday to become the first team to reach the last 16 of the World Cup. And now, a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 22.6 degrees Celsius, with the minimum temperature dipping to 10.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 29%, rising to 35% in the evening. The forecast tells us weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the 95th episode of Mann Ki Baat program, says India's G20 presidency is a big opportunity to focus on global good and welfare of the world. Security tightened in Shillong following series of agitational programs following Mukra firing incident. Mobile internet service remains suspended. Several organizations hold rallies in state protesting Mukra firing incident. Demand for early settlement of Meghalaya-Assam boundary disputes gain momentum. The FIFA World Cup, France become the first team to reach the last 16 stage. Lionel Messi stars in Argentina's win over Mexico. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.